before we get to that, score recap natin, 48 for Team Single and 47 for Gimme One. So sa last game, game number 4, nakalamang na kayo for the very first time. Tignan natin if you can hold on to the lead or if you guys can come back and win the game. Okay, ang game number 5 natin, ang tawag dito ay OA na to! Members of each team will act out the word they pick from the box provided. Their team members will then guess the correct answer. Strictly no talking and no mouthing of words. Each team will be given 3 minutes to guess a total of 12 items. Each correct answer is equivalent to 5 points. So, since natalo sa last game, ang Gimme One, kayo ang mauuna. Give me 1 member na manghuhula, so it's gonna be you, Rene, at kayo naman ang tatlong sasayaw para sa kanya or magpapahula. Okay, so give me 1 representative na bubunot dito para hindi magulo. Okay, may isang taga-bunot.
Para kita na agad.
Okay, so Ella, ikaw ang bubunot. You can show it to your teammates, of course, para tatlo kayong nag-act out. On my go, 3 minutes, 12 items. Every correct answer will give your team 5 points. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hit it.